Hey budget queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a DIY because you know your girl is all about saving money. Today I will be showing you how I wash my makeup brushes without spending a lot. Welcome to a DIY with me. So you need dishwashing liquid, you need some sort of oil. Do not use cooking oil, but I prefer to use grapeseed oil. You'll see that I also used a makeup brush cleaning mat. That is not something that you need, but I was just tired of rubbing the brushes in my palm. So that's optional. Make sure to mix all the ingredients together. The ratio is 1 teaspoon of dishwashing liquid to half a teaspoon of oil. To start washing my brush, I make sure to first dip it in the concoction that I created, and then run it under a bit of water, and then you'll see in circular motions, I start washing it on my brush mat. I make sure that the brush is extremely clean before I move on to the next brush. As soon as the excess soap is clear, then I know it's time to rinse out the brush, and I make sure to rinse out the brush thoroughly. So again, you wet your brush, you dip it in your concoction, and you just use your makeup brush cleaning mat to clean it all up. You'll see that my foundation brush, it is extremely dirty. So if it's extremely dirty, make sure you clean it very thoroughly, that there is no foundation left behind. And you just keep continuing this step until you are done with all your brushes. Now that my makeup brushes are all clean, it's time for the drying process. So what I do is I put my makeup brushes upside down and I let them dry overnight. Make sure that you have an old t-shirt or a paper towel down below, as the excess water will be dripping down. And voila! That's how you clean your makeup brushes at home on a budget. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Mwah. Bye!